Hi guys, today I am showing you a very tasty South Indian snack recipe मेथी मसाला वड़ा। दोस्तों इस रेसिपी का सबटाइटल्स हिंदी में भी है, प्लीज़ चेक कीजिए। These crispy masala vadas will be perfect with a cup of tea or coffee and also can be served with majke huli, which is a traditional South Indian recipe. In this video, I'll be sharing few tricks and tips to make it really crispy. Now let's get started and check out the recipe. I have taken 1.5 cup of chana dal and 3 spoons of moong dal. Adding moong dal makes your vada crispy. Give it a nice mix and wash them thoroughly. Once you wash it nicely, discard the water and add fresh water to soak it for 2 hours. After soaking it for 2 hours, drain out the water and your dal is ready. Now let's grind few ingredients. I have taken half cup of groundnut. Mix it in the pulse mode for 1 or 2 times. Next I have taken 2 big spoons of soaked dal. To this I am adding 3 chilies and 1 teaspoon hing. This you will have to grind it to a smooth paste. Please do not add water to grind any of the ingredients. Next, let's grind the remaining soaked dal in pulse mode for 4 to 5 times. Just make sure you will not grind it to a fine paste. Now let's transfer all the grinded ingredients to a big bowl. Now add half cup freshly grated coconut, chopped methi leaves 1 cup, 2 tablespoons chopped curry leaves, salt as per taste. Mix all the ingredients nicely. Now let's prepare the vadas. You can dip your hand in water. Take small ball sized mixture like this and press it slightly. If you're doing it for the first time and it's not holding shape, you can sprinkle 2 tablespoons of besan, that is gram flour, and also few drops of water. Mix it nicely and try. Now let's deep fry these vadas. Just make sure your oil is hot before adding the vadas. Also keep the flame on medium so that the vadas will cook nicely. Fry them nicely till they are golden brown on both sides. You can even add onions to these vadas, and also instead of methi leaves you can try mint leaves. Our hot and crispy methi masala vadas are ready to be served with a cup of tea or coffee. This is just perfect on those rainy days where we want something really tasty. Please like, share and leave a comment if you liked this recipe. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.